Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the unicorn head filter for your TikTok account. Really easy and simple to do. If you don't know what that is, it just looks like this. It's really simple and easy to get. All you have to do is head over to your TikTok application, so I'll go ahead and do that right now. You want to open up the TikTok application and you want to go right to your Discover tab. Once you're on your Discover tab, you just want to search in the search bar, unicorn head, and wait for that to load. Then you just want to go to videos. And you just got to find someone with the unicorn head filter on. So always click on one person.
I love it.
And as you guys can see, there is a unicorn head little label above the person's username. So you just want to click on that little label above their username. And then if you just click add to favorites at the very top, it'll now be in your favorite filters when you go make a new video. I hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.